Hey guys, this is Michael Duda, your favorite part-time real estate agent out of Dundee, Michigan. Today I'm going to be talking about lead generation, which is absolutely the lifeblood of the real estate industry. If you like content like this, please consider hitting that subscribe button. My main goal is to grow a community of inspired individuals so we can all be motivated and push through that initial rough patch together. Alright, let's get into the video. So what I'm going to talk about is something that I picked up from a local real estate network that I am a part of, which I would highly encourage all of you do. So this is a basic framework that you could view your lead generation strategy through to optimize your business. So there are two basic pillars of the framework. You have your hunt side of the framework, which are leads that you're actively going out and getting. And then you have the attract side, which are leads that you're attracting to yourself. All right, so to get a little bit more specific into the hunt side of the framework. So again, these are leads that you're actively going out and getting. You're hunting them. So the first major lead generation strategy that you can do within the framework on the hunt side is cold calling. Now, cold calling is really good if you call people such as for sale by owners or expired listings, etc., because these will actually, if you call these people, it will actually increase the chances that you get a sale. The next one, you could do other people's open houses. Now, the reason why I say do other people's open houses is because when you're first starting out, it's going to be really difficult to get listings. However, if you find a local real estate network and you meet high producers in your local area, a lot of times those people will not have time to do their own open houses. So that's a perfect opportunity for you to do their open house. And then from there, you can grow your own client base. And then lastly, another common strategy that people do within the hunt side of the framework is door knocking. Now, this is not as recommended because there is a danger aspect to it. However, you really need to do your own research and figure out what works for you and how different things tie in with your own personality. But again, there are dozens of different lead generation strategies that you could do within the hunt side of the framework. These are only 3 of dozens. So the next side of the framework is the attract side of the framework, which many people would actually argue is more important than the hunt side in this day and age. And again, those are leads that you're attracting to yourself. So the first component of the attract side of the framework is building your social media pages. This is absolutely critical, especially in this day and age. So there are different social media platforms out there. You have your YouTube, your Facebook, your Instagram, TikTok. Definitely figure out which platforms you want to use to optimize your business and reach as many people as possible. And also take into consideration that platforms have different audiences on them, so you need to figure out what type of content you need to produce in order to gain as much awareness and produce the content that resonates with that particular audience. So that actually leads me into the second component of the attract side of the framework. So that is developing your own website. What a lot of people do is actually use this in conjunction with their social media pages, and they will pipe people in from their social media pages in order to actually gain people's information and get that lead. Which leads me into the third component of the attract side of the lead generation framework. That is using email marketing in order to follow up with those leads that you get from your website that you pipe in from your social media. And because many times people aren't wanting to buy or sell immediately, but what you could do is you can stay top of mind. So you can use the software to follow up with them. So when they are ready to buy or sell, they're going to think of you first, and then you can close that deal. If you receive value out of this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button to join my community. My main goal is to grow a community of motivated, inspired individuals so we can all push through that initial rough patch together. and actually go ahead and join my Discord as well. I want to provide a space that is more personable, so newer agents can talk to current agents and they can get information on what they should do, because that is the most difficult part of a person's real estate career, is that initial point where they really need that advice. So I post every other Saturday at 12 p.m. This is because I'm still trying to figure out an optimal schedule, and please give me feedback in the comments. I absolutely want to provide higher quality videos, and I can only do that through your guys' feedback. So again, hit that subscribe button, join my Discord, give me feedback. Let's go out and get it and strive to quit those 9 to 5s.